Ngayon naman, mag-unbox ako nitong new vlogging set that I bought from Shopee. And I hope that this can help me to have like an improved version of my vlogs. Kasi ngayon, like for example, wala akong ginagamit na microphone ngayon. And this one, I hope that this can help me to improve my vlogging skills and also my vlogging editing skills. And yeah, let's see what's inside of this.
Go.
Ayun guys, ngayon mag-unbox na tayo. Let's see what's inside of this. Okay. Ew. Looks good. So dito, meron siyang video microphone. Wow, this is new. Phone/camera universal. So I think that's the USB. I think so. So let's see what's inside of this. Wow, look at that. So meron siya ditong audio jack. And then this is the microphone. Cool. And another audio jack. And also, yeah, meron siyang like the feathery thing for microphone. I'm excited to set this up. So, yun yung laman niya. And some manuals. Okay. This aside. Ayan, meron na tayong scissors. I can open this. Okay. Medyo nahihirapan ako mag-open. Let's see this in this way. Siguro. Ayan. Ayun. Pala eh. Okay. Ayan siya guys. So, laman niya is, this is the tripod. And this is the clip for the phone. Ayan siya. Hi guys! So ito na ngayon yung finished product. If you can see closely. Ayan siya. Ito yung tripod. Then ito yung pang-clip ng phone. Then this is the microphone. Okay guys. It's really nice. Like, I'm just doing like this. Like, hello guys! And I'm going to show you. I'm going to convert the video recording using this phone, and then let's see what's the difference in the sound. And yeah, let's go. Hi guys! Ayan, I'm very excited. This is using already the microphone. Ayun, I hope na better yung audio quality niya using the microphone. And I'm very excited to use it outside as well because yung handle niya is, or your tripod is very handy. And also, I'm using the whole set na niya. So, may clip and then microphone. And this is very useful for mobile vlogging. Ayan, guys. And yeah, this is really good. And I'm having fun with this new gadget of mine. And hopefully, this can improve my vlogging skills as well as my vlogging audio quality. Ayan. Ayan guys, kung gusto niya rin to have something like this, just message me in the comment section and I will send to you the link wherein you can buy this. And it's very affordable. It's around like 1,800 for this set. Ayan guys. I hope you like my vlog for today. I'm really enjoying this new gadget and I'm going to use it in my next vlogs. And see you again soon. Bye!